What's going on, my mental gangsters? Welcome back to another video. Look, if you haven't read the title by now, I'm very excited because today we are going to review the Powerbeats Pro 2. So right now I'm currently sitting in the parking lot outside of my gym. I wanted to review the Powerbeats Pro inside of the gym, but when I go in there, the music is playing super loud and I don't want to get copyrighted. So I want to do this intro here in the car, and then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to unbox and use the Powerbeats Pro 2 in real time. So I haven't used them yet. The seal is still on here. I haven't opened them yet. This box is white and it's very gloomy outside, so the colors are clashing. I'll give you another look inside of the gym. So yeah, I just bought these yesterday. I was actually using my AirPods Pro, which is the first generation that released in 2019. They have given me a lot of good listens. I never lost them. You know, there's a saying that people who don't lose their AirPods can be trusted 100% with anything. I actually bought these when they first came out, 2019, and yeah, they giving me a good run. There are mixed reviews about these Powerbeats Pro 2s. I did a little research. There are a lot of YouTube videos that have reviewed these, and I've also looked at reviews like online. Some are good, some are bad. I've been on the fence, but I finally pulled the trigger to buy these. And I know a lot of people are still wondering, you know, if this is worth the hype. These were $250 retail plus tax. I think I paid like $270 some for these. So we're gonna see if it's worth the hype. I'm gonna go inside, unbox these, set them up, work out in these, and then once I get done, I'll give you my full final review on, you know, how the sound was. Did I get a good quality sound experience? So I love music, and the number one thing that I like is making sure that I have a good listening and music experience. I love bass. My music selection varies across, you know, all board. You know, my go-to is music that has a lot of bass. That's one of the standouts for the Beats is, you know, they have good bass. Now, just a disclaimer, I'm not a tech review guy. This is just, you know, something that I wanted to do, and something that I always want to do is just, you know, review certain tech gadgets that, you know, I bought and I wanted to use. This is actually my first one. Let me know if you want to see more tech reviews on this channel. All right, so enough yapping. I'm actually about to go into the gym, open these up, do an unboxing, and I'm going to do a full workout. So I'm going to, you know, make sure, you know, I move my body as much as I can, move my head around, make sure that, you know, make sure I get a good use out of these, make sure, you know, I give a real in-person, real life review of these. Yeah, I'm going to record my workout. I'm going to do a full body workout, upper body, lower body. And then once I get done with that, I will give you guys my review on how my workout went with the Powerbeats Pro 2. All right, see y'all inside. All right, so right out the gate, it was a pretty simple opening process. Rip the tag open up the box, and there are the Powerbeats Pro 2. In it, we had a little bit of documentation, of course, and we had a few sets of earbuds, but this is how it looked. And yeah, the setup process was pretty simple. That color is super clean. I think it's like a sand color, but yeah, open it up, it connected right away. All I had to do was just hit the connect button, skip some of these features, you know how it is when you connect everything to your iPhone. And I just went straight into it. So yeah, I have to get comfortable with putting these in because they had the hooks and I'm just so used to popping them in with my AirPods. So yeah, had to get used to that. But you know, choosing a song, and we're about to get into this workout. So let's get it.
I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? Yeah. She said, I need a new whip. Yeah, cause I know that you're still ballin'. She just wanna go back to the future, so I brought that color DeLorean. 21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it. Man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes into I'm on. 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 Yeah, I am not slow. Nigga, you want me cause I got the dope. That's that girl right on my friend, give it go. He passed me her friend, so they switching roles. I hit it fast, yeah, I hit it slow. Bye bye the morning, girl, I gotta go. Get ready, tonight is my show. I feel okay in my health and my show. Got the big partners right under my nose.
Cook that shit up, Quay. 4 pockets full, yeah. 4 pockets full, yeah. 4 pockets full, yeah.
4 pockets full, yeah. Faded on that scissor. Then I'ma light my split up. I'm a big dog, y'all niggas T-cups. On a jet getting brain with my feet up. Home bite my tongue, I'ma speak up. Send a hit, watch me young niggas eat up. No deer, but a nigga got big bucks. Stay down on my grind and I came up. Bitch, I don't really rock, I get the money. I got 2 bitches with me tryna jump me. Remember them old heads running from me. I'm shitting on them, got them holding they stomach. That paper on me, getting them by the bottom. The things they dream about a nigga done done it. Them bitches was stiff on the kid, they were frame. Now I'm sticking dick all in their stomach. Drip season, nigga, shout out the gunner. No pussy in me, but they know how I'm coming. Drop the back and he'll be dead in the morning. Headshots, I ain't sending no warning. We don't shoot at houses, we hit a target. They know I'm throwed all, they say I'm retarded. No back and forth, I ain't doing no walking. I'm standing.
What's going on, y'all? We are back, man. Just got done having a full body workout using the new Powerbeats Pro 2. And let me tell y'all something, you know, to give a final verdict on these, I definitely say these are worth it. And maybe because, you know, these are such a big jump from the AirPods 1, you know, the Powerbeats Pro 2 with the H2 chip versus the H1 chip. You know, my overall experience was good using these. So just a little rundown. What are the Powerbeats Pro 2 designed for? You know, what is the target audience? There are a wide range of beats. You know, you have the ones that go over your ear, you have the actual earbuds without the hook. What are these made for? And from my research, you know, these particular headphones are built for performance, right? So if you are an athlete, if you constantly going to the gym, you just need a good pair of headphones that you don't have to worry about falling out of your ear. Sometimes when I do have my AirPods in and I'm doing exercises that require me to move my head a lot, they do actually fall out. So I'm actually glad that I got these and transitioned to these with the hook. I really expect these to be a very, very big upgrade from my AirPods Generation 1, just due to the fact that these were made in 2019. They actually stopped manufacturing these. So very outdated, and I think these right here will be a very good upgrade to my listening experience while I'm working out in the gym. These aren't just your standard headphones, right? They are designed for it to handle sweat, handle movement, and, you know, deliver a good quality sound experience while you're working out, which that's what I care about, really. The sound experience, the listening experience. Just to touch a little bit on the music experience alone, to me, the bass was good. I was still able to hear the clarity of the songs and the music. To me, it was amplified from what I'm used to when I listen to the AirPods Pro 1. It's more crisp, louder to me, and like I said, the bass hits on a whole different level. So I really enjoyed that. You know, to me, you know, I like loud music. I like the extra bass. So I was satisfied with the volume as well. You know, noise cancellation. I will say the noise cancellation isn't the best. I was still able to get some noise come through, but to be honest with you, like, it's not really something to complain about for my standards. Like I said, this is opinion based. This is based off of like my perspective, but I didn't see an issue with the noise cancellation. Like I said, not the best, but nothing to really like nitpick and be like complaining about. I did try to send a voice note via text message, and I will say that that wasn't as clear. It wasn't the best. I like played it back, and you know, you could hear like the words and everything, but some of it was muffled a little bit. I will say that the background noise was non-existent, so you didn't hear any background noise, and the music that was playing in the gym was super loud. Like, it was loud. I want to say I wore these for a good 2 hours, and you know, my ears weren't hurting. Like, everything was good. No complaints there. And also a few specs with these. They actually have the heart rate monitoring built into these headphones. These do have noise cancellation. They have transparency mode. They have the adaptive EQ feature. One thing that really stood out to me was these headphones have 45 hours of listening time. That's a big upgrade from these. According to Apple, you know, the AirPods Pro 1 had up to 4.5 hours of listening time with a single charge, and with the wireless charging case, you get more than 24 hours of listening time. With these, you get 45. So it's actually double within the listening time, you know, versus the 2025 Powerbeats Pro 2 versus an AirPods 1. They also have a 1.5 hour listening time if you charge these for 5 minutes. That's actually crazy. And then they also have the wireless charging case as well. That's very, very good, because I always catch myself when I go into the gym forgetting to charge these, or they go out mid-workout, and it's very, very irritating, and then I have to transition to my backup headphones, which are the wired headphones. These beats being lightweight, to having the hook, me not having to worry about them falling out of my ear, to the bass of the music, even like the ear tips. So the beats come with 5 extra ear tips, I believe. I didn't even switch them out. The ones that were already on the Powerbeats Pro, they fit good in my ear, but I'm actually going to try the other tips out just to make sure, you know, those are the right tips that really fit my ears. But the ones that were already on, they worked out just fine. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I definitely recommend getting these if you are looking for an upgrade. Now, I will say, based on some of the reviews and comments that I've seen. If you already have the AirPods Pro 2, there isn't really a big need to upgrade. Just make sure if you are considering jumping from the AirPods Pro 2 to the Powerbeats Pro 2, I only say the reason why you want to switch over is because they have that security around your ear. If you don't really care about that, then I wouldn't recommend jumping to this. This is a super duper big upgrade for me, and I will say that money's well spent. Upgrade my listening experience, workout experience when I'm at the gym. That's the primary reason why I got these. If you're on the fence about getting the Powerbeats Pro 2, I say get them. Try them out. If you get them at Best Buy, like, you can try them out, and if you don't like them, just return them. Just make sure you don't lose the receipt. If you still have these and you're thinking about upgrading, this video is for you. Hopefully you take what I review into consideration when you're thinking about buying these, and I will be definitely using these a lot more. Thank you for tuning in to the video. Appreciate you for watching another video of Mentally G. Stay mentally gangster as always, and see you again on the next video. Mike G signing out. See y'all.